Welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne, and today we're jumping in to show you exactly how to fund your Coinbase wallet. Before we jump into the content though, please make sure to grab your free copy of my book, The Rise of Bitcoin, from the description below. Click on the first link in the description. You can grab your completely free PDF copy of the book, so make sure to go and grab that now. As always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button as well. We're on the road to our first 10,000 subscribers, and smash that notification icon button also, because we're dropping videos pretty much every single day on the channel, and you're going to want to get notified when they drop so you can hit your crypto goals. So let's jump into how to fund your Coinbase wallet. This video is not going to be overly complex, but the first thing to note is that Coinbase Wallet specifically is a different product than just Coinbase Exchange. So you might already have a Coinbase Exchange account, but the Coinbase Wallet is a wallet solution that either lives as its own app on your phone or mobile device, or you might have it or be able to add it in your browser as an extension. So what you want to do is come over to coinbase.com/wallet, and then you're going to see the Coinbase Wallet application here, and you click on download Coinbase Wallet. You then have a few options. You can obviously add it to your iPhone or your Android device, or you could add it to your Google Chrome or Brave browser. For today's tutorial, we're going to be looking at the option in the Google Chrome browser, but obviously you can use any of these options. So you're going to click on download for Google Chrome. It's going to open up this page. This button is going to say add to Chrome. Mine obviously says remove from Chrome because I've already got the Coinbase wallet added here. And then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a new wallet if you don't have one already. And the first thing you need to do there is create your 12-word seed phrase, or write down the 12-word seed phrase that Coinbase Wallet generates for you when you create your new wallet, because you will not be able to view or access that 12-word seed phrase ever again. This is very important, because if you end up funding your Coinbase wallet and you do not write down your seed phrase, you will not be able to access those funds in future if you do not write down your 12-word seed phrase and store it in a very secure and safe place. Do not share it with anyone. Do not put it in a place where it's going to be accessed by other people. Write it down, store it in a safe place, and you'll have it for future reference. So once you download and install the Coinbase wallet and you set up your seed phrase and you add the wallet into your browser and you log in, you're going to have a wallet that looks exactly like this. Now, as you can see, we've got a few different funds in our wallet here just for some test funds, but we're going to show you exactly how you can add funds into your Coinbase wallet as well. You can see we've got a little bit of Ethereum and some BRET token here just as an example. But you will notice at the top here, there's a few different options. Obviously, we can buy, swap, bridge, send, and receive. So the first way we're going to look at, we're going to show you two main ways to add funds to your wallet. The first option is to buy funds. So obviously, if we click on this buy button, we can do add crypto with the Coinbase on-ramp, or we can transfer it from another wallet. So we're going to look at both of these options, but the first one is adding via a crypto or Coinbase on-ramp. So this is going to redirect you over to this particular page, and basically it's going to ask you which asset you want to add into your Coinbase wallet. So let's take Ethereum as a quick example. If we click on Ethereum, it's going to bring us to the next page, which asks us how much Ethereum we want to purchase. So let's say we want to purchase $100 worth of Ethereum. Then it's telling me I don't have any payment method available, so I obviously need to add a payment method. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can use your ETH balance on your Coinbase account to actually add those funds, or you can do a bank account transfer, whether that's a wire transfer from the US or a SEPA transfer, for example, if you're in Europe, or you can add a debit card and use a debit or credit card to add funds into your wallet, or using PayPal itself to add funds if you have a PayPal business or personal account. So the first way we're talking about here is basically using your bank to fund your wallet. You can either do a SEPA transfer or a wire transfer, or you can use your credit or debit card, or you can use PayPal. So that's the first cohort of options, basically getting money from your bank account into your Coinbase wallet. if you're using a credit or debit card or PayPal, this is typically going to be a quicker way to get those funds into your wallet because it will happen pretty much instantaneously. But if you're doing a bank transfer, a wire transfer, or a SEPA transfer, that's typically going to take 1 to 3 business days for the funds to actually land in your Coinbase wallet. So if you want to be more efficient, use your credit or debit card option. However, there is typically slightly higher fees when you use this option, but it is a more efficient way to get funds into your Coinbase wallet. The second way that you can add funds into your Coinbase wallet, if we go back and open it up here, is to transfer from another wallet. So you might already have funds in your Coinbase account, in your exchange account, or you may have another wallet like a MetaMask wallet, or you might have funds on a completely different centralized exchange like Binance or Bybit or KuCoin, etc. So what you can do there is you can add funds from that other wallet. And if you click on add funds from another wallet, Coinbase Wallet here brings up and shows you the addresses that you can use to copy and paste as the destination wallet here for adding funds into Coinbase Wallet. Again, you'll notice there's a number of different chains supported here. And again, you're going to want to make sure you select a chain that is the most efficient from a, let's say, a cost perspective or a network fee or gas fee perspective. Obviously, with Ethereum, we've got a few different options. We can use the ERC20 network itself. We can also use Base, AVAX, BNB, or Polygon. Most of these options are going to be cheaper than using the Ethereum network itself because Ethereum gas fees get very expensive when the network is congested. So if we copy this particular address, what we can do is we can actually come over to our centralized Coinbase exchange account and we can click on this button to send and receive. So if we want to send funds into our Coinbase wallet, what we can do is we can send, let's say, $5 worth of Ethereum, and then we're going to paste the wallet address that we want to send it into. So again, this is where it's important to select the best network for sending purposes, because as you can see, the network fee, if we send it using Ethereum, the Ethereum network is about $1, whereas if we use the Base network, it's only going to be 1 cent. So let's use the Base network for this transaction, and then we're going to paste in that Ethereum wallet address, and we're going to send money into our Coinbase wallet by using our centralized exchange account to send it there. So again, it's going to ask us to preview the send and confirm everything is correct. And once we click on send now, it's going to ask us to enter our 2-factor authentication code, which I'm just looking up here on a different device. And then we're going to enter that 2-factor authentication code. And that's going to set up and send the transfer. So give it a moment to load, and it should give us a success message. As we can see, we have now sent 0.00169337 ETH, which is equal to about $5 at today's prices. If we click on done, that will be all finished. And then if we open back up our Coinbase wallet and go back to our account here, we can see that we've just received an additional $5 worth of Ethereum on the Base network into our Coinbase wallet. So that's basically how you can fund your wallet. Of course, you can then use a DEX or a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, or, there's a multitude of different DEXs you could use. You can use those DEXs to transfer and swap this Ethereum into all of those other tokens that you might want to be investing in. Again, this is very useful because Coinbase as a centralized exchange has a limited number of tokens that it actually offers on its platform. Whereas if you're using a DEX like Uniswap, you're going to be able to access much more cryptocurrencies and tokens and use the funds in your Coinbase wallet to purchase, swap, and transfer in and out of all those positions on a decentralized exchange. So that is a very quick tutorial on how to fund your Coinbase wallet. Obviously, we ran through a few different options. You can fund it from your bank account directly using a SEPA or wire transfer, or you can send funds directly using your credit or debit card or PayPal. Just remember, those options will carry a slightly higher fee for doing so, but they will allow you to get funds into your wallet much quicker. And then the second option is to obviously send funds into your Coinbase wallet from a different wallet on a centralized exchange, or from a different wallet completely. It could be a different self-custody wallet, just like MetaMask or Trust Wallet or something similar. You can generate the wallet address from your Coinbase wallet add it in as the destination address from your sending wallet and send funds just like we did 2 moments ago. So, as always, if you enjoy the content, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button below. Grab your free copy of The Rise of Bitcoin using the link in the description. Make sure to hit the bell notification icon as well. You're going to want to get notified when we drop new videos every single week to hit your crypto goals. And as always, we'll catch you in the next one.